Let's go now to my KQL database and then, oh, let me refresh this data. You guys can see that the event stream data, it's coming in. So let's check our data and then see the queries that we have here. Let me see if this runs. Okay. No, it's not going to run. Okay, cool. Let me add the code snippet that I have here that's going to summarize the average fare by hour of the day, as you guys can see here. And with this, I can create a Power BI report. So let's click this, wait it to load. And then once it loads, you can bring the fields that you want as a visualization so that you can create a report. I advise you to create a visualization and then edit the report later. Okay, so let's add two visuals here. Nothing fancy. I'm not even changing the aggregation. Let me just save this. Once you save it, it's going to ask you for a name. Give it a name, Stream Analytics. And then the workspace, it's my Fabric Trio 2. I'm saving it. And let me go to the report now. And as you guys can see, once I click here, it's going to open another tab with the report. And this is nothing crazy. You Power BI users already know how to do this here. I'm showing you the workspace now so that you can see that the Stream Analytics report and data set, they're not committed. So my source control is going to flag them to me. And I can commit, but I won't do it now. So if you go back to your report, you know that you can edit them here in a service. So let me just change a few things here. Instead of having a sum, I want to not summarize the hour of the day, which gives us a good visualization and understanding of what hours of the day I'm having more average fare. So there you go to visuals. Let me just increase the size of this here, make it look better. And after I've done this here, no big changes. Let me just save it. No, this size and it's done.